It's snowing again. It's snowing again. This is the beginning of the storm. It's been snowing for maybe like an hour or two at this point. It's snowing in my window right now. I personally love it, but it's going to be a pain in the ass to dig out of later, but for now I'm snowed in and I can just relax and watch it snow. Snow! And yeah, well, you can too. Snow. I think it's beautiful. I love it, but that's why I moved back to Maine. We get the real snow. Although everyone on the eastern seaboard is getting the real snow today. The whole northeast is getting the real snow. But this is the no-joke snow. This is the crazy snow. God, I wish you could smell the air right now. It smells so clean and sweet. It's just amazing. Snow. Everything is snow. I'm gonna drop my phone. That's all I need is to drop my phone on the fire escape. That would be smart, right? Wee snow. Oh man. I'm crazy, I know, but I love the snow. I went for a walk before in the snow. It was so sweet. It was so great. Walking around in the snow. But it's been coming down like this, like really hard for about an hour now. And it's gonna go till tomorrow morning. Crazy. Anyway, that's it. I gotta shut my window. I'm getting snow in the room. Bye.